Hi, my name is Boris. I'm a raw food chef from Berlin and I want to introduce to you today my raw food course, Basic. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to start your raw food journey. I'm really excited about this because it changed my life personally. Since I'm on a raw food diet, I have more energy, I'm more vibrant, my whole body has changed. I have less health issues, just generally like great thing. The only thing, it needs to be tasty. So in this course you will learn a lot of really great recipes. You will learn how to make nut milks, how to make cheeses. Fermentation is one part, my favorite topic actually. You will learn how to make a really nutritious, healthy salad. But not just a salad, but a real salad bowl with a lot of good nutrition inside. And I will talk actually a lot about the details of nutritional information, nutritional science we're talking about. This is why this course is not only for you as a beginner, but also if you're already an advanced practitioner of raw food, because you will feel you get a lot out of this as well. Information that you may not know up to today, because it's really up-to-date science information. If this sounds good to you, I'm so happy to have you on board. Join us, join our course, and I'm happy to see you soon.